Hello everyone. Today we have Mr. Anjan Loying from Assam. He was suffering with severe sciatica pain and doctor has recommended him spine surgery. Let us listen to him, his journey with us from the last 35 days. Over to Mr. Anjan, please.
Hello, myself Anjan Loying. I am from middle part of Assam. I was suffering from acute sciatica pain for last 5 to 6 years. I have consulted many doctors at Assam, Kolkata and New Delhi as well, and I took the medications from several doctors, and these doctors, they have advised me to go for surgery. And before going to the surgery, I thought I should consult some other ways of medication also. I went to the physiotherapist, I went to chiropractic sessions as well, and I took Ayurvedic medicine as well, but my condition was the same. So I thought before going to the surgery, let me search for something else, if I can get something so that my life comes back to normal. So by God's grace, I came to the contact of BP Singh sir, and I attended his sessions. And after attending his sessions, today is 35th day, and I'm 70% cured today. And before that, I could not sleep at night. I could not walk for 500 kilometers as well. I could not sit. So today, the condition is that I'm 70% okay, and my pain has gone. Only 30%, 30 to 35% is left. I think I will recover fully.
On the day one, can you recall what was your actual condition of the body?
My condition was that I could not sleep at night. I used to wake up and sit in the bed itself. I cannot sleep and I cannot walk properly. And today is the condition is that on 30th day, my condition is that there is no problem. My pain has gone and I can walk without any fear, and I'm all right, almost 70% all right.
Have I recommended any medicine for this?
No medication still now, sir.
Have I recommended any injection for this?
No, sir. Nothing like that.
No medicine, no injection, 70% improvement in last 35 days. And I promise you, in the day, on the beginning day, or in the L0 workshop or the level 1 workshop, that body knows how to repair.
Right.
It has been proved true or not?
Yes, sir. It's very true, sir.
Yes.
Very true, sir.
Body को repair करना आता है. He is a living example for everyone. Thank you very much for coming here. Thank you. Bye bye.